In the last video, I showed you how to clean up parasites inside your body and which types of parasitic cleansing supplements you need to add. I also told you how to create parasite cleanse concoctions and advise some effective recipes that can kill parasites. The anti-parasite diet. Now, what's even more important is your diet that is free of all sugar and all grains in order to kill parasites in your system and kill off the bad bacteria and the fungus that these parasites live off. You've got to get rid of bad bacteria. So drinking a coconut smoothie with coconut milk, chia seed and protein powder. For lunch, do a big salad. For dinner, prepare organic meat if you're not vegetarian, and double the vegetables, staying completely away from any form of grains of sugar, including fruit with high dose of sugar. It's good option. Pumpkin seed are the #1 food that kills off parasites, and we recommend to eat 1 cup a day. You can spread it in the morning a little bit, for lunch in a little bit, and for dinner. These are anti-parasite foods, garlic and onion. Both of these immune boosting vegetables have anti-parasitic effects. Herbs like oregano, ginger can have antibacterial, antiparasitic effects. Papaya juice, this potent juice, can have antiparasitic effects. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Probiotic rich foods, consuming light probiotic foods like kefir, sauerkraut and yogurt can keep parasites in check and improve the health of the gut. It actually helps recovering. And here are the foods you want to avoid. Sugar feeds parasites and lowers immune functioning. Processed food that are highly processed do not support immune health. Alcohol does not allow for proper immune system functioning. Wheat, many grains, especially those containing gluten, can break down into sugar quickly and cause intestinal inflammation. Pork can be highly contaminated with parasites. We recommend to do colonics once a week for 3 weeks. And when you learn about food diet and start implementing you in daily routine, it's time actually to use some quantum healing that can improve and fasten your recovery from parasites. So here we will describe the quantum healing processes, especially used in the Spooky 2 system. And now to conclude, if you take the supplements, get rid of sugar from your diet, take the pumpkin seed and follow this protocol strictly for 1 month period of time, then you should be able to cleanse yourself of parasites. Don't forget, if you're having difficulties finding these herbs and keeping daily routine, it is the most effective way to use quantum healing through Spooky 2 technology. If you have any questions about parasites or any other solutions to get rid of parasites, you can comment below. I'd like to know more about your opinion on parasites. In the next video, I will talk with you about yeast infection that caused a matter of great concern of many people. How Candida, that's a type of yeast, begins to form. Enjoy watching.